Good morning, students. Today I am here with you for explaining our second chapter, acids, bases, and salt. I hope all of you familiar with these three words, acids, bases, and salt, because already we have learned this topic in class 7, and on behalf of that I hope you have some basic knowledge regarding this chapter. At first I will describe about acid. The word acid is derived from Latin word acidus, means sour taste. Means the substances with sour taste regarded as acids. Lemon juice, amla, curd, vinegar, tamarind, tomato, and other citrus fruits are also sour in taste because they contain acid. Many substances can be identified as acid based on their taste, but this cannot be the sole criteria for the acidic character or define acids. Some of the acids like sulfuric acid, nitric acids are corrosive in nature. In such cases, it would be rather dangerous to test them. Therefore, on the basis of origin, we classified acids into two groups: organic acids or natural acids, and second one is mineral acids. Organic acid. Organic acid means natural acids. So these acids are obtained from natural sources, or they are obtained from either plant source or animal source. So they are called natural acids, and they are weak acids. For example, citric acid is obtained from lemon juice or lemon. In curd, lactic acid is present. In tomato, oxalic acid is present. Formic acid is found in ant stings. And second one is mineral acids. These acids are obtained from rocks and minerals. For example, hydrochloric acid, the chemical formula is HCl, nitric acid, HNO3, sulfuric acid, H2SO4. You see the chart for other common acids. You learn the name of acids, their types, and chemical formula. Hydrochloric acid, HCl, sulfuric acid, H2SO4, nitric acid, HNO3, carbonic acid, H2CO3, formic acid, HCOH. So you learn the table. If we examine the chemical formula or chemical structure of these acids, we find that all of them contain one or more hydrogen atoms. So if you see the chemical formula, for example, in HCl, one hydrogen atom is present. In H2SO4, two hydrogen atom is present. So according to modern definition, and this is also known as Arrhenius theory, because this theory is given by Arrhenius. The substances which release hydrogen ion in presence of water are called acids. If you dissolve HCl in water, it gives H plus ion and Cl minus ion. And if you dissolve H2SO4, it produces 2H plus and SO4 2 minus. If you dissolve HNO3 in water, it gives H plus and NO3 minus. So all the acids release hydrogen ion in the presence of water. The hydrogen ion cannot exist alone, but they exist after combining with water molecule. Thus hydrogen ion must always be shown as H plus aqueous or H3O plus or hydronium ion. So I hope you understand कि all acids, या what is common in all acids release H plus ion in the presence of water. I will come very soon with my next video for explaining base and indicators. You like and subscribe the video. Thank you.